HubKoin Exchange Tutorials, Email Settings. In the Settings menu, there are lots of options to help you through your investment journey. One of those options is your email settings. Here you can manage your preferences of receiving emails regarding your activity. To change your preferences, you will need to log into your HubKoin account. Navigate to the HubKoin login page, enter your credentials, and click Login. When you log in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. On the top right-hand corner, you will see a small arrow beside your username. This arrow, when selected, will open a drop-down menu. From there, you can select Settings. You will be redirected to your Profile and Securities Settings section. This is where you can access your email settings. The Email Settings section is on the right-hand side in the second row, located beside your Theme options. A pop-up will appear with two fields, one for order emails and the other for login emails. When you click on the field, you will be given the option to enable or disable your emails. When you are satisfied with your settings, select Save. If you have questions regarding how to manage your settings, please look at our YouTube videos. These videos are designed to help you learn how to customize your experience and explain our most popular features. We hope this video has assisted you in understanding how to manage the emails you receive and is helpful to you on your investment journey.